Okay, today is April 9th, 2011. We're in Virginia. My buddies Mark, Dave, and I've already pulled my first ever U.S. box plate. It's a belt buckle. And I have which I think is a bullet here. I do. It is a fired 58. And here's my box plate. That's the box plate I just pulled. But it is just gorgeous. I mean, my first and ever. I still cannot believe it. But I thought I'd take a picture of this, record this, and put it on YouTube. Again, my name is Wayne Hartzell. I've been teching for 15, 16 years, and I've never pulled a belt buckle. And this is just beautiful. I have to clean this up and post it, put it on my website, and keep this baby really clean.